Why migrate your passwords?
Switching to a new password manager can improve security, offer better features, or provide a smoother user experience. Migrating your passwords ensures you keep access to all your accounts without starting from scratch. Taking the right steps helps avoid data loss and protects your sensitive information throughout the process.
Prepare for migration.
Before you move your passwords, make sure you have access to both your old and new password managers. Update both apps to the latest versions and back up your current passwords securely. Double-check that you know your master passwords and have recovery options enabled, just in case you need to restore your data.
Export passwords safely.
Most password managers let you export your saved credentials as a file, often in CSV or JSON format. Use built-in export features, not third-party tools. Only export on a secure device and avoid public Wi-Fi. Once exported, store the file in a safe location like encrypted storage and never leave it unprotected.
Import into the new manager.
Open your new password manager and look for the import feature. Choose the file you exported and follow any prompts to map the fields correctly. Check the results to ensure all logins, notes, and other data have transferred correctly. If some entries are missing, you may need to repeat the process or add them manually.
Delete old files and accounts securely.
After confirming a successful transfer, securely delete the exported password file from your device. Consider erasing your data from the old password manager if you won't use it again. Follow the app's deletion process to remove your stored information. This reduces risks if your old account or files are compromised in the future.
Test and update your logins.
Test a few logins in your new password manager to make sure everything works smoothly. Update any outdated or weak passwords as you go. If you use two-factor authentication, ensure those entries transferred or add them again. Regularly review and update your passwords to maintain strong security going forward.